Hi everyone! Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will discuss the adjustments module and how you can utilize it as a business owner within the platform. Maintaining a history of the modifications or adjustments made to your company's inventory is crucial for tracking your business development. It helps ensure financial accuracy, compliance, and informed decision making. This record serves as proof of what has changed over time while using Stock and Buy. And if multiple people are involved in running your business, this module becomes even more beneficial. It simplifies communication, enhances efficiency and transparency, and contributes to the long-term success of your business. To get started, go to the Stock Control and click on Adjustments. Once you click Adjustments, you'll access the Adjustments view. Here, you will find a generic search bar where you can look for your adjustments by using the Adjustment ID. The Adjustment ID is automatically generated when you create a new adjustment. You also have the filter option for your adjustments. You can filter by adjustment reason and select a date range, then click Apply Filters. This filtering option is handy for tracking changes in your inventory, especially if you want to analyze it by weeks or months. You can also control the number of adjustments displayed from 50 to all. Additionally, you can hide columns using the eye icon and export table data to CSV file by clicking XLS icon or copy data by clicking the respective icon. There's also an option to print the data to a PDF file for reference. In the Adjustments view, you'll find columns for the Adjustment ID, date, adjustment reason, status, it can be draft or authorized, units changed, and the total cost of the adjustment that happened. Now, let's dive into creating an adjustment. First, select the adjustment reason. A side note, you can easily add another adjustment reason by going to Account Settings module, under Branding and Customization, and then navigating to Adjustment Reasons. Just type in the additional adjustment reason you want to add. Going back, choose the location where you want to make the adjustment, assign the user, and proceed to add line items for the products you want to adjust. For example, let's adjust the Kuromi Comb product. You can either set a specific quantity or add or subtract the on-hand quantity by clicking Adjust. For instance, we deducted 2 units due to damage, resulting in an on-hand quantity of 101. This adjustment is reflected in the total cost. You can add important notes in the notes section. Once satisfied, you can leave it in draft mode or save it. To authorize the adjustment, click on Authorize. Remember that authorized adjustments are final and cannot be edited. Another powerful feature is running a stock take. This will enable you to download a CSV file from the Adjustments module containing quantities for all of your products within a specific location. You can then make bulk adjustments by uploading the modified CSV file. The system automatically updates your products after the CSV file is uploaded. To perform a stock take, go to Stock Control, click Adjustments, and on the top right corner of the page, click on Stock Take. And you will then need to select Location. Export your location inventory, make adjustments, upload the CSV file, and refresh your inventory. Also, if you have inventory reports that are sent by your suppliers that have the same columns in their CSV file, they can be uploaded to the system using the Dropship Stock Take option in the module. That's a wrap! We've covered various functionalities within the Adjustments module, empowering you as a business owner to manage your inventory effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you find this content helpful, stay tuned for more informative content. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.